That's when they say the
but
headaches
guys,
can be.
realistically, that question, it really depends on where he is. I mean, that's like going to a doctor and saying, "Hey, I have a pain in my side. What should I do?"
True.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah, but you know, having a property in fucking Miami, Florida, right? It's going to be great for Airbnb versus being in fucking, you know, Laredo, Texas.
But let's say generally though, what would you say in terms of like generally speaking?
No,
Airbnb
that's what
or
I'm saying. But that's what I'm saying. I really can't say that because look, like in Miami, in certain and not even Miami, but certain areas of Miami,
Hot
Airbnbs
areas.
are freaking killing it. I can't. I mean, I can't debate that.
Yeah, we don't know where
depends
you're
on
at.
your
in
location,
other
bro.
areas, maybe not.
Yeah, that's true.
But if you want stability, right, over like risk, tenants is always the way to go.
Yeah.
And then $10, Stephanopoulos, is now a good time to buy considering the high interest rates. What do you think about investing in real estate overseas? Yo, the interest rates are not that high, guys. Like, don't think like.
Oh, I finally converted him.
Yeah.
You were complaining. Yeah, guys, just let you know, if you go back and look at it, the majority over the time that they tracked it, interest rates have been the average is interest rates between 6 and 8%.
Yeah.
So where we're at right now is not even high. My
It's
parents
normal.
bought their house, they were paying 13% interest rate. So
Yeah.
guys, get over it.
So it's still a good time to get in, bro. Like, yeah, is the days of 2% interest rate, which is basically free money, gone? Yeah, it is. But